There's a lot of information circulating about COVID-19, some true, some false. For example, drinking or injecting yourself with bleach or disinfectant, not a good idea. To really understand the virus that has confined millions of Americans to their homes and uprooted so many lives, it is necessary to study just how this version of coronavirus affects our bodies. Like any virus, coronavirus must first enter your body in order to infect you. It is thought to have originated in China in a seafood market with additional business in trading live wild animals. From there, it made the leap to humans and can now be easily spread person to person. The virus relies mainly on airborne droplets in order to spread. When people are within about 6 feet of each other, respiratory droplets from coughing, sneezing, or even just talking can be transmitted into the mouths, nose, or even inhaled into the lungs of healthy individuals, creating the current pandemic and the worldwide attempts at social distancing. First, let's look at things as they should be. When a virus enters the body, it is fought off by the innate immune response, leading to typical symptoms such as inflammation and an influx of snot. Sure, it may not be your favorite substance, but mucus is helping protect you, so maybe it doesn't deserve such a bad reputation. If the virus can't be contained there, it travels on through the body until it is confronted by B lymphocytes, which help activate the second level of the immune response, the adaptive branch, which, true to its name, can mark and neutralize cells, but then remember the intruder and adapt to eradicate it more efficiently the next time it enters the body. In the lungs, this response means that cells send out cytokines, proteins that tell other cells what to do. They give the command for tissue to swell up, which helps the body bring more fluid into the area, as well as increasing warmth to augment healing. Other cytokines call in T cells to fight the virus, and still others stop the swelling from racing out of control. However, this is not exactly what happens when you are infected by COVID-19. There is no runny nose to prevent the virus from reaching the lungs, so the virus is able to bypass a major security system and take a fast track into your lungs. From there, cytokines are released by cells and begin to accumulate, but their response is not as beneficial as it usually is. The coronavirus moves quickly, so the swelling created by the cytokine storm gets out of control. The large amount of cytokines released by the infected tissue call in macrophages that release even more inflammatory cytokines. This rapid response is known as a cytokine storm and can actually reduce the body's usual immune response. The virus also inhibits the release of cytokines that would reduce swelling and begin the body's healing process. This response to the virus means swelling runs rampant and can end up damaging or killing lung tissues, often causing severe distress or even death. This cytokine storm actually helps explain why children are much less likely to be affected by the virus. Less developed immune systems release fewer cytokines. While it seems like the obvious answer is to cure the out-of-control swelling and bring the body back to homeostasis, the solution to curing this virus is not broad anti-inflammatory treatment. Your body still needs inflammation to fight off the virus, so inhibiting swelling just sabotages one of your body's best hopes of defeating the virus. Instead, doctors hope that they can specifically target the cytokines that are running out of control. The biggest culprit is a protein called IL-6, and doctors are even now looking for a medicine to control the release of this cytokine and calm the cytokine storm created by the coronavirus.